Hi, I'm Ria from Plum, and today I'm going to be talking to you about employee dishonesty insurance. Imagine finding out an employee has been quietly stealing from your business for months and nobody caught it in time. It happens because every business runs on trust. You trust your employees with cash, bank access, vendor payments, and financial systems. But when that trust is broken, the loss can be hard to recover from. That's where this comes in. It protects your business from financial losses caused by dishonest acts committed by employees. So, who needs employee dishonesty insurance? Any business that gives employees access to money, accounts, inventory, or financial systems carries this risk. While no business is immune, smaller companies are often more exposed because they tend to have fewer internal controls to detect fraud early. This is especially relevant for consulting firms, financial services, edtechs, retailers, restaurants, warehouses, and any business where employees handle cash, inventory, payroll, or customer payments. The risk is more common than many businesses realize. Companies lose a meaningful share of their annual revenue to occupational fraud each year, and many cases go undetected for months. What does employee dishonesty insurance cover? Employee dishonesty insurance broadly covers dishonest acts by employees in several ways. 1. Theft or embezzlement of company money. 2. Forgery, like forged checks or altered payment instructions. 3. Misappropriation of company assets. And 4. Fraudulent digital transfers made through UPI, NEFT, or RTGS. What doesn't it cover? It doesn't cover mistakes or negligence, only intentional fraud or theft committed by an employee for personal gain. It doesn't cover fraud by owners, directors, or partners. And it doesn't cover cybercrime by outside hackers. How do you choose the right policy? The right cover depends on how many employees handle money or assets and how exposed your business is. Your sum insured, deductible, and discovery period decide what you're protected for. That's where Plum comes in. We give you access to tailored employee dishonesty insurance from India's leading insurers, help you choose the right policy structure, and support you through the claims process. Our team can also help you arrive at the right cover value by understanding your business better. Fraud is hard to predict. Recovery doesn't have to be. To know more, book a call with a Plum expert today.